Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today I'm going to show you how to make Halloween candy corn Rice Krispie treats. So I've been making this recipe for a couple years now, but I've never put it on the blog or on YouTube. I've put it on Instagram and I've put it on TikTok, and people there love it. So I decided I finally wanted to share it with you guys. This isn't going to be kind of a normal recipe that I do where I talk to you too much throughout it. I'm going to show you from the top down so you can just see overhead and see what I'm doing. This is just such a fun recipe for Halloween. I thought you guys might want to see it. Your kids will love it as a treat. And even if you don't like candy corn, I think you'll like this recipe. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to make something cute to top cupcakes and cake for Halloween. So stay tuned and don't miss that. Let's get started. To start, you're going to create the yellow ring for the candy corn Rice Krispie treats by melting the marshmallows and butter in the microwave. Melt in 30-second increments. Do not go over 2 minutes. Then mix the marshmallow mix, food coloring, and Rice Krispie treats. If you like, you can use natural food coloring and plant-based dyes. There's a link in the description to a good set. This recipe uses a lot of bowls. You can either wash them in between the steps or use different ones as you go. I found it goes faster if I use different ones and prep all my ingredients ahead of making these candy corn Rice Krispie treats. You'll need a round cake pan for this recipe. Wipe olive oil in the round cake pan before you start to work with the Rice Krispies. Next, wet your hands and form a yellow ring into the round cake pan. Make sure you're pushing the Rice Krispies tightly and making them compact. Then start on the orange ring by melting the marshmallow and butter in the microwave. You shouldn't need to go over 1.5 minutes for this set. Combine the marshmallow mix, yellow food coloring, and Rice Krispies together. Then wet your hands again before forming the orange ring in the cake pan. Lastly, microwave the butter and marshmallows for the white part of the candy corn Rice Krispie treats. Melt the butter in 30-second increments again. You should not have to go over about 1 minute. Mix the Rice Krispies in the melted marshmallow mix. No food coloring is needed for this step. Push the Rice Krispies into the center of the round cake pan. Give the candy corn Rice Krispie treats time to cool and then use a knife to slice. Go through it a couple of times to ensure there's no sticking. Use a pie server to get the pieces out. Like pie, the first piece is always the hardest. As a bonus trick, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate ghosts that you can add to cupcakes and other baked goods. First, you want to melt white chocolate. Then use a spoon to put a dollop of white chocolate on wax paper. Using a second spoon, Wipe the white chocolate down so it creates a sheeting effect like you might see on a cartoon ghost. Add the eyes and then let dry. Remove them from the wax paper and add a mouth using decorating gel, frosting, or a cake decorating pen. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope that you love this recipe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And I'll have a blog post up at sugarmaplefarmhouse.com with more details on how to make these Halloween candy corn Rice Krispie treats. As always, please remember to subscribe to our channel so you can follow along with everything we're doing here at Sugar Maple Farmhouse. Thanks so much, everyone.